Hey guys, we'll see this 100 jewelry engraved for the gunmetal purple tungsten ring for men for test and try. So this one is a men's ring and you can choose a size. It's a tungsten material, comes in a really nice gift box. That's really good if you want to gift it to someone. And then it's a gunmetal with a purple tungsten rings and it's engraved that if you want to, and then also have this nice fit. So I'm just putting it on my thumb because it's of this size so that you can see how this looks. It's really a shiny purple shade, and then also a little, with a shiny tungsten thing. So it looks really nice and it fits well with the high quality material that I can see and feel. So it's a nice gift box that you can use to gift it to someone.